when you go up into releve, it's so easy to over-recruit our toes. And when we over-recruit our toes and we don't lead with the calf muscle, inner thigh, and core for the releve, what happens is we put a lot of weird stress on our toes. Then we end up with issues with our plantar fascia, Achilles, flexor hallucis longus, the list goes on. We don't want to think about gripping in the toes to make the releve happen. And the way that I see what happens here is I see those of you who do it, and I'm going to do it holding onto the bar because I don't want to hurt myself. But what happens is you kind of go over into this 3/4 shoot, and then you drop and you settle into your releve. So instead of going and seeing you lift up and stay, you overshoot and you pop drop. And that's really bad for your toes, right? So we really don't want to do that. So everybody just face your chair or your bar, and let's take our second position. I think it's honestly easier to do in second because you feel like when you releve in second, it feels a little bizarre sometimes, right? It's kind of away from your body. So before you even rise up, I want you to pull your toes back. So pull all the toes back, lift them off the floor. Now, try to lift with the toes back and just use the inner thighs. We're doing a little tiny rock here. Okay, so just think inner thighs. Good. Now drop the toes down, use the inner thighs and then the calves and come up. And you might feel weak here, you might feel shaky because you're not used to doing it in that pattern. But some of you, good, and then come back down. So the more you can develop that, the higher your demi-pointe will get because you're not overshooting and dropping into this lowered position. You're sustaining it the whole time and lifting, never overshooting and dropping, right? And we don't even, a lot of times we don't realize it, but I probably turned a light bulb on in some of your heads where you're like, oh yeah, I do that in class where I feel like I lift too far and then I drop down into it. And that's not good for long-term health of your feet. So just be aware of when you rise into releve, how's the muscle activation pattern going to happen. It's really going to be your core, your inner thighs, and then your calves finally start to make that lift off the floor.